Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, like this one. From here, select Fix and Manage, and then Import from SIM. This will in turn display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now by default they should all be selected as long as none of those contacts already exist on your device. Now additionally, you should probably have a little bit more options visible here compared to me. This device isn't logged into any kind of Google account, but in case that yours is, you would have a drop-down menu somewhere between the first contact and import contacts, just wording right here, which it would, I believe by default, say this device or something along those lines, and or possibly it will list your Google account instead, and you can tap on it and change where you want to import your contacts to. Now I don't have Google account, so it's only automatically going into the device option. Obviously, if I had Google account, it would allow me to select that instead. And also, if you have multiple Google accounts signed in on your device, you can choose from that drop-down menu to which account you want to import those contacts to. Now, additionally, you can also deselect contacts that you don't want. If you see some that are already deselected and grayed out, don't worry, those contacts already exist on your device, and the tablet is just preventing you from importing duplicate contacts. Now, from there, once everything is set, simply click on Import. This will give you a message letting you know how many contacts have been imported, and when you navigate into the contacts list, you will now be able to see all of the imported contacts. Additionally, it's also showing me where the contacts are being displayed from. So in this case, it's the device, and you have this button right here to change where the contacts are being displayed from. So like I mentioned, for me it's displaying from the device, but if you have a Google account, you can tap on here and select that instead, for instance. But by default, if you have your Google account sign in, it will actually default into that account instead of the device. And as you can see, you can display contacts from the device, which we do have contacts on right now. If you have a Google account, it will be visible somewhere, I believe, below the line. And we also have the option to display contacts from the SIM card. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.